Today we are going to talk about 5 common mistakes the majority of people make when they build their funnels. These mistakes cause poor performance of the funnel and lower conversion rates. And guess what? Most likely you are making these mistakes as well. But that's not your fault. You just never learned how to do these things the right way. So watch this video till the end to ensure that these mistakes didn't sneak up to your funnels. Before we dive in, like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. Also, if you're looking for an easy-to-use funnel building software, you can find the link to a free Clickfunnels 2.0 trial plus our exclusive bonus in the description of this video. Alright, now we are ready to talk about the most common funnel building mistakes and how to fix them. The first mistake that probably 95% of funnel builders are making is adding images to the funnel in huge sizes and without compressing them. What happens when we do that? We add one mockup image with a huge weight, then another, then some background image, and in the end, it takes our page an eternity to load, which affects our conversion rate because some people simply will not wait to see the content of your page. Now let's see how to fix this issue. Let's say I want to add this graphic to the funnel. If I open the information about this image, namely image size, we can see that the height of this image and the width as well are quite big. And we don't need an image of that size in our funnel. We don't need such a big image on our page. In fact, if I open the page where I want to add this image, let's say on this spot, and just roughly measure this area where the image will be placed with a screenshot tool, we can see that we at maximum need the height of the image of 500, let's say 60 pixels. So the best practice here is to resize our original image that we want to add to the funnel, that it doesn't take so much space and doesn't weigh that much. For that, I would change the height of the image, and with that we already have a smaller image. Once we resize an image, the next step is to compress it. You can use a free tool called TinyPNG for that. Now I saved my image that I resized in Photoshop, and now I can use TinyPNG to compress this image. It's quite simple. You can just drag and drop this image here or click on this spot and select an image from your device. And instead of 124 kilobytes that the original image had, we now have an image that only weighs 45 kilobytes. You can click this icon to download this image, and only after that you should upload the image to your funnel building software and add it to your funnel. This way you minimize the negative effect on the loading speed of your funnel page. The next common mistake I notice on a lot of funnels is not adding SEO information to your funnel pages. The SEO data consists of the title, description, and the thumbnail. That's the minimum. This information is visible when your funnel page shows up in the search results, or when someone shares the link to it on social media or in the messages. The title is also visible on the Browser tab, like for example here, together with the favicon, this small icon. So what you want to do for all your funnel pages is to first add a favicon. For example, in Clickfunnels 2.0, it can be done in the settings of your site, and this favicon then will be used on all your funnel pages. And next, you go to the settings of your funnel page and update the SEO information there. We have a page title, page description, and a thumbnail. And you will see how this would look in the search results. The title and the description should contain keywords you would want to rank for, be catchy, and motivate a person to click your link. To ensure that you don't miss anything and that the launch of your funnel goes smoothly, grab our funnel launch checklist in the description of this video. Once you're done with the SEO information, you're good to go and fix another mistakes you may be making. And this is not optimizing your funnel for mobile devices. A lot of traffic nowadays comes from mobile devices, and you have to ensure that your funnel page is accommodated for phones and tablets. Most of the templates that you can use in Clickfunnels 2.0 are already optimized for mobile devices, but you still can make some changes manually. You can open your funnel and then switch to the mobile view by clicking on the icon here and see if you need to make some changes. Let's say you would like to change the font size because it's too big for mobile devices. For that, you would go to the settings of the element, find the settings for the font size mobile, and easily change it to the size that you would like to have. Also, you can make some elements mobile only or desktop only. For example, this row on desktop looks differently and I want it to look differently on mobile devices. That's why I cloned this row, and then in the settings of this specific row, I selected mobile only. And if we switch to the desktop, you will see that this row has the desktop only tag. And if we go to the settings of the row, that would be this icon here. And this way you go through your whole funnel page in the mobile view and make some changes if necessary to ensure that your page also looks good on mobile devices. The next mistake a lot of people make when they create their funnels is to not create privacy and cookie policy and a cookie notice. You know, that pop-up where you can accept or reject the cookies or adjust your preferences. In fact, not having these policies on your page and a pop-up may get you a fine if people from the EU or California and some other districts view your page. And you should take this seriously. And believe me, we know how annoying it can be to deal with legal documents, different policies, and moreover, keep them up to date. However, I'm going to share with you the best solution to this problem we've discovered so far. And it's called Ayubanda. This service allows you to create different policies, like most common are privacy and cookie policy, integrate a cookie solution on your site or on your funnel pages, create terms and conditions, and do much more. The documents that are created with Ayubanda are compliant with a lot of regulations all over the world, and what's more important, when there are some changes in different legislations or different laws, the team of lawyers in Ayubanda makes the corresponding changes and they are automatically implemented in your policies that you create with Ayubanda. It's honestly the best solution that we see at the moment to create privacy and cookie policies and also a cookie notice and add them to your funnels. And by the way, if you use our link that you can find in the description of this video to create your Ayubanda account, you will receive a 10% discount on your first year at Ayubanda. Also, you can watch this video on how to create your cookie notice in Clickfunnels 2.0 and see how easy it is to use Ayubanda. And last but not least, the fifth common funnel building mistake is not using social proof. And I'm not talking about showing text or video reviews on your funnel pages, but the small pop-ups like this one. You see, people tend to copy the actions of others when they need to make any decision. If you place social proof on your funnel pages in the form of testimonials, it's fantastic. But real-time notifications about recent purchases, sign-ups, page views can drastically increase your conversion rate. The easiest way to do that is to use a tool like Proof, and you can find the link in the description of this video as well. Proof offers a lot of features that you can benefit from, like showing who started the free trial, adding some scarcity with the live visitor count, and you can also customize those pop-ups, see analytics, and perform A/B testing. That's it for today. I hope this video will help you improve your funnel performance. If you enjoyed our tips, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future videos. Bye bye!